Hello, my name is Mark, welcome to my review channel. Normally I'd be reviewing a gadget at this point, but after a recent review I was asked a really good question, which was, could the Edelkrone slider be used for real estate videos to make houses look much better with a nice sliding shot? And I thought this was a great question. I've seen videos done before for selling houses. They're normally shaky cam, no stabilisation, so I thought I'd give it a go. So here's the setup. We've got the SliderOne Pro and my Canon camera. I'll show you this is the area we're going to use, and just a nice kitchen area. And what I'm going to do is take a few different shots, because I think if I was putting together a video I would probably do a few different slide shots, maybe overlay some text on it using hit film, where you could say, you know, you've got a induction hob, and then the text would pop up and say induction hob, that kind of stuff. So I'll just do a few different slider shots. I was specifically asked if I could not put something in the foreground just to give an overall slide view. I'll see what I can do about that, and let me know what you think. Do you think if you were viewing a house, if you were viewing this house, would you like to see this kind of video? Let me know in the comments below. So there you go, just a short video just to show this off. I've been using it on a tripod. Sometimes you've got to be careful that as the weight goes across, it rocks a little bit if it's not nice and steady. So I'd always recommend popping it onto a counter somewhere where both feet are down flat. Or if you need to, maybe shove it on an ironing board. If the house owner's got one and you're doing some indoor shots, an ironing board is a nice steady platform as well. I hope you found this short review useful. If you want to learn more about these products, I'll put links in the description below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.